Hi, today in front of me iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to activate quick launch to some options on this device. So to activate quick launch for some options on your iPhone 15 Pro, here from this quick button, you should open first the settings. Scroll down to action button and you'll see here some modes. For example, when you'll have the no actions, you should just swipe and select one from the available options. For example, I'll use the torch. So now by press and hold the the action button, you should just hold it for a while, and now we could see that the flashlight successfully enabled. By the same way, by hold it for a while, you could turn it off. So as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.